Create your content more attractive? Go to Offio.com. You can use video templates for video editing. You can create YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter post. Make promo, animated videos, banner, story, etc. You can make sale posts using any templates from here. You can make attractive videos for products. Gaming intro, YouTube intro, Facebook ads. Make presentation and resumes. Everything for becoming a pro as a content creator. Kindly follow us for more information.